Are you ready to have the best summer ever?
This is it.
Whoa! Let Cartoon Network show you how you can transform every corner of your house into an awesome home adventure.
Boy, oh boy, this is gonna be great.
Explore more than 150 activities across 5 themes with all your favorite Cartoon Network characters.
And that's not all.
It isn't?
Nope.
The Locky Rewards through digital challenges.
Now, where were we?
What's even cooler? You can win exclusive prizes and get featured on TV.
Fame and fortune.
Embark on your home adventure now.
So cute, right?
And don't forget to stay tuned to Cartoon Network all summer, every day from 8:45 a.m. and on HBO Go.